Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can insert a SD card to your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro. First of all, thank you to my swoop for providing us with this phone today. So to insert our SD card, we need to open up the SIM card slot that's down here, and we will go ahead open it with a simple paper clip or your SIM card ejector. We'll take that out. Here's our SIM card, and then there's space for an SD card. Take that and then put it in, put the whole thing back in the phone, and now we should need to unlock our SIM card. All right, and now if we go to our settings and go to about phone, go to storage. Then we have our storage space here, and we also have our SanDisk SD card. So that's how you can insert an SD card to your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.